Hello and welcome to Vitosh Academy for another video. This time it will be only about Excel and pivots, and this time we will be making just nice pivots with Excel with slicers. So let's take a look. So the data that we are going to pivot is taken from Kaggle.com and it's about used cars. Yeah, this is how the data looks like. We have, it's called autos CSV, around 70 megabytes, and we have seller, name of the car, price, A/B test A or B, whatever this is, vehicle type, gearbox, model, brand, and a lot of other things. So this is how the data looks like. We have 371,000 plus rows, so this would probably not be on my pivot, but let's take a look. From table range, okay, we are just going to take the first 50,000 or 60,000 and we're gonna click new worksheet, so just to pivot. And now let's take a look, what should we have here. We would have a vehicle type and price, the sum of the price, or gearbox, yeah, and then price, some or something that would actually make some logic. So kilometers, a lot of things. So what do we get here? Under, this is probably German database, it means others. So automatic is automatic, and we have 911. All the prices for the 911 are 41,000, and the kilometers are not a lot. Okay. As I said, let's take a look what can we do here with our slicers, where the slicers are. We have here data, and here in data, it's not the slicers, review, formula, page, okay, insert, and then slicer. And what should we put a slicer? Let's say vehicle type. And now we have something kind of beautiful. I'm just putting a few, okay, like that. So if we say bus, we have the buses. If we see Kleinwagen, we have the Kleinwagen. And if we do it like this, we have everything. What else can we add? Can we add some other slicer? Of course, let's put gearbox. So we have either automatic or manual. So automatic, buses, the sum of the price is that one. We can be not only interested in sum of price, but we can probably more be interested in the average price. Let's see. What should we do here? Value field settings and then average of price. And in order to make it smaller, we can write AVG, so everyone knows it's an average price. Okay, average, sum of price, average price, and these are, as far as in Germany, probably euro, but let's do it like this. And we probably need counts of buses as well. Vehicle type, I'll put also here vehicle type, just curious, yes. And this would be standard. Okay, so we have obviously 825 buses with the sum of price for 878 million and average price on 10. And these are the automatic ones. Let's put the manual ones. The manual ones are on average 8,000. So you can do a lot of fancy things. See, this way we select everything. That's pretty much the idea of the whole video, but I want to show a few more things so far. Let's take a look. What can we do? We can put year of registration as a filter. And let me see whether we can do it also here as a slicer. Of course, this should be doable, year of registration like that. Okay, a lot of fake registrations. Obviously, nothing is registered in the year 1000 or 1011. Yeah. Let's see what can we do. Multi-select of year of registration, report connection, bring to front, slicer settings. Yeah, hide items with no data. That's actually useful, I guess. Okay. And let's say year of registration. Yeah, let's say 2019. And we are interested. Yeah, you see hiding items. We don't have anything here, obviously. 2016, we have buses. We have 8. And 2016 buses, manual buses. Okay, 22,000. We can click here actually, and we will see all the buses from our database, from our first 60,000 columns of the database here, and we can simply delete it. I usually name this thing pivot. What else can we do? We can disable it like that. And we can put, for example, a brand if we're interested. If we click it from here, it would appear right there. And it's up to us whether we would decide which one would be first, either the type of vehicle or the type or the brand. If we want to change it like this, it's like that. What else can we do? Let's add a slicer for this one. I mean, it's really easy. You just click here, you add slicer, and you said that we wanted to see the brand. Vehicle type, no, I'm also looking for a brand, but it's, yeah. And now we get a slicer for brands. Okay, let's see BMWs. Now we have BMW bus. Yeah, with sum of price. Sum of price is actually not that useful. We can remove it. Count of vehicle and average price are something that actually give us ideas. And average price for BMW from the year 2010 for a combi is obviously 16,000 euro, which is not that bad. What else can we do here? This thing here, they can become not pluses, but different. Let's show me how it looks like. You just go here for grand total report layout, and we put repeat all items. And for the BMW, it should be in the column, I guess. Let's see. No, not in the column. Okay, I'm just thinking, how should we subtotal brand? No, ungroup. How should we remove the tiny plus here? Let's research a bit. So on the pivot analyze tab in the show group, where is the show group? This one, yes, like that. We just decide, and it is there. This is how to remove it. And yeah, just once more saying, it's really fancy. If you want to select more than one thing, simply press Shift and start selecting. And if you want to reset the filter, you click here. Yeah, pretty much that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you really saw something new. For example, how to create a fancy pivot with slicers and not the standard one. because it's really looking nice. So enjoy the rest of your day. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. That's all from me. Bye.